Apart from launching the Xiaomi Mi 8 as its 8th anniversary flagship and Mi 8 SE smartphones today through an unveil event in Shenzhen, Xiaomi has also launched the Xiaomi Mi 8 Explorer Edition, which is nothing but an advanced version of the Xiaomi Mi 8. At the launch event, the Chinese manufacturer said that the Mi 8 Explorer Edition smartphone offers a number of world premiere features. It's the first Android smartphone that supports 3D facial recognition. It is also the first phone, along with Mi 8, to feature dual-band GPS technology. Also, it is equipped with an pressure-sensitive in-display fingerprint reader. Xiaomi Mi 8 Explorer Edition features a 2.5D translucent glass rear that is curved towards the edges. The translucent back gives a clear view of the innards of the phone, such as the new design for the NFC coil, Kevlar texture for the battery, and other components. The handset measures 7.6 mm thick, and it weighs 177 grams. The size of the phone is similar to a traditional 5.2-inch phone. The Xiaomi Mi 8 Explorer Edition also features a 6.21-inch Super AMOLED display like the Mi 8. It produces 18.7:9 aspect ratio in Full HD Plus resolution, and it delivers a screen-to-body ratio of 86.12%. The screen is enabled with features like DCI-P3 color gamut, up to 600 nits brightness, HDR support, eye protection mode, and always-on display. The Mi 8 Explorer Edition has an in-screen fingerprint reader that enables users to unlock the phone simply by touch, and that is embedded in its display. Xiaomi claims that, since the display of the phone is equipped with highly sensitive pressure sensor, it can instantly scan and unlock the phone by touching on the screen gently. Hence, the user does not require to press harder on the screen to unlock it. Xiaomi claims it is the first smartphone in the world with pressure-sensitive in-screen fingerprint technology. Like the iPhone X's Face ID feature, the Xiaomi Mi 8 Explorer Edition features a complex structured light 3D module to enable 3D facial scanning. The notch of the Mi 8 Explorer Edition includes components like selfie camera, proximity sensor, ambient sensor, infrared lens, flood illuminator, and dot projector. The selfie camera captures the face data of the user by analyzing more than 33,000 invisible points of the face of the users to create a depth map. The infrared lens also captures the infrared image of the face at the same time. The AI engine of the SoC comes into play to convert the depth map and infrared image into a mathematical representation, which is then matched the registered facial data stored on the phone to unlock it. Xiaomi claims that the probability of cracking the Face ID on Mi 8 Explorer Edition is like 1 in 1 million. Even Apple said the same thing when it announced Face ID for iPhone X. Like the Mi 8, the Mi 8 Explorer Edition is driven by Snapdragon 845 that comes with an artificial intelligence engine. The SoC is coupled with 8 GB of RAM, and it comes with an inbuilt storage of 128 GB. It also features a 3000 mAh battery that is found under the hood of the Mi 8. The Mi 8 Explorer Edition supports Quick Charge 4 Plus fast charging. It preloaded with MIUI 10 based Android 8.1 Aria. The Xiaomi Mi 8 Explorer comes in a single edition, which features 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, and it is priced at 3,699 yuan, $577. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.